Hello, how are you everyone?
We are fine.
Okay, so first I request Jamima introduce yourself.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jemira Bint Rashid and I am a HSC candidate. My college name is Chittagong College. I live in Chittagong also. My favorite food is chicken curry and all the chicken items in this world. And I love to stay in my home. And I love to listen music and I love to sing. And I have a sister and a brother, and I love my parents and love my family.
That's great. Now Jahin.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Jahan Minte Rashid. You are clearly see that we are sisters. I am his little sister. We have a brother. I am in class 10. My school's name is Pani Public School and College. I really love my family. I live in Chittagong also. I love to travel. My favorite food is biryani. Thank you.
Okay, now Tafida, your turn.
Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Tafida and my nickname is Tafi. I read in class 8 and I was in foundation school. Now I am in Mohammadpur Public College. My father's name is MD Liakat. He is a principal, and my mother's name is Tasnir Ferdowsi. She is a teacher, actually an English teacher, and they are both hardworking. And I really love my family. I have a little sister and we all live in Dhaka. And my favorite color is purple, and I really love to listen to music, and my hobby is learning Korean as well as doing video in my channel and doing cycling, swimming, and so that's, and my favorite food is pasta. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you. Big clap for Tafida. Okay, now Rafida.
Hello, my name is Rafida. I read in class 5. My school's name is Mohammadpur Public College. My father's name is Abdul Lakat. He is an excellent entrepreneur. And my mother's name is Tasnir Ferdowsi. She is a magnificent teacher who works with heart and soul to serve hundreds of children in the world. And my favorite color is black and magenta. Black is very classic color and magenta is very elegant color. And my favorite food is pizza, and my hobby is cycling, swimming, doing karate, and also learning new language, as well as making videos in my YouTube channel. And in future, I want to be an architect. Thank you.
Great. Now you pass to Zarif. So Zarif, introduce yourself. You say
Hello,
name,
my name is Jarif.
Okay.
I am reading class 3. My school's name is Ispani Public School and College. My father's name is Haruna Rashid. My mother's name is Jafrin Ferdowsi. My mother is a housewife. My father is a businessman. My favorite color is black and red. My favorite food is pasta and noodles. Thank you.
Thank you. Big clap for Zarif.